This one got smacked dead center here in the butt.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already yo. So when you just getting out of the
I have a Honda Civic here. This one got smacked dead center here in the butt, so it's getting a new rear body panel. I have the new panel right here. I actually thought from the pictures in the computer it looked like it came with these side braces as well, but it turns out it doesn't, so I'm going to make some pulls on this. I might end up having to have them order these corner braces inside of here as well. I'll see how it all pulls out, and then if I need to order those, I'll have them order those as well. So it turns out, I'm looking at the procedures here, and I kind of noticed when I was trying to get it out, the way it's sandwiched in here, it actually requires the replacement of these gussets on the sides. So I'm going to go talk to the office and see if they can get those two pieces ordered, because there's no way I'm going to be able to get the new piece up in there. Well, it turns out I did already have these parts here. I was wrong, so I'm going to get those cut out now.